How to delete Venmo account history. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Venmo account history. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Venmo account history, all you have to do is, first of all, let's say that you have the Venmo application, you've made a specific number of transactions and that you want to get rid of the transactions. Well, let me tell you that it isn't really possible to delete your account history because any of the payment applications, including PayPal, Cash App, Remitly, Wallet, all of those applications will not let you delete your account history or your transaction history just in order to prevent fraudulent transactions and just keep a record of everything that has happened inside of your account. And Venmo is also not an exception because they also simply follow the similar protocol. You have to follow the protocol in order to make the application legal, otherwise you will not be able to go ahead and then delete the transaction history. The only thing, however, that you can do to delete and get rid of your history is if that account isn't really that important to you, you can simply choose to delete your Venmo account. But to give you a basic idea, you cannot really delete your account history on Venmo or any of the other payment applications. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.